Okay, after the so since 69K to here is around 40%. Okay. Okay, after the flash crash of today from 59K to all the way down to like 42K. Good. So we have a correction by today's sell from 59K, 17K down. That's mean like 26% down. And to me, we are here. We have this one. Okay, we have this trend line. It has broken. That's the first thing. Second thing. Okay, fine, guys. So, from 59K to this 42K, who was like 26% down, but okay, that's to on the chart of the Bitcoin doesn't look nice, seriously. But to me, my advice is not to be panic, not to panic. Okay, I still believe that we're still in a good uptrend and we'll be recovering up. That's the first thing. The second thing, even if you're planning to sell your bag, it's not a good time to sell because it's even at a very bottom now, isn't it? So if you look at the chart here, we have a support as well as a resistance before right here. And if this is the retest corrective move, that's fine. Until we're done with this one, I still believe that we will be rising up again. Okay, in the short term, it would let me have this. We were taking this one. It, uh, so in the short term, I believe that Bitcoin will be going back to 52K again. That means somewhere at the bond at the 61.8% of the Fibonacci level of this corrective move. And that's also align with this Fibonacci level of the last move from here. So we'll be rising back somewhere around here. So that's it, definitely. That's the first thing. And if we go from there, from here, here. So okay, right from here we should be going back here around 52, 53K. And then we have another wave to retest this current level at 47,800K before we rising up to 58K. And this one is the deciding level. So if we break above this 58K, I believe that we'll be again going back to 75 and 80K. If not, it's be dangerous. Okay, we might be going back somewhere around this area, which is our retest, or even worse, somewhere around here is 37K. But to me, that the first thing is I still believe we're in an uptrend. That's the first thing, because if you look at the market now, okay, first the reason why is the dumping. Okay, so this we're not anticipated this before, this kind of move before, but maybe it's because of the Evergrande or even the stock market is crashing. And in the past, Bitcoin used to be following the stock market because of the bad news in the market right now. Okay, that's the first thing. The second, and I don't know, but might be that's the reason for the dump. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, as I told you before, as I told you earlier today, I do believe that we're still in uptrend. By the Bitcoin is only 69K here, and that doesn't make any sense to me. The second thing is we have a lot of big player in the market right now. We have this guy El Salvador. Was buying the deep. We also had like MicroStrategy. They bought the deep. We had other whales like Justin Sun bought the deep. We had Pantera. who has announced the new fund. They have also bought the dip. Okay, so everyone is buying a dip. So there's no reason why you're selling it, right? So that's the second thing. Then we have a lot of other things in the market as of now, like Baradicham, they has now like $2.5 billion for crypto investment. And then the Panther Capital, that has like $600 million fundraising. So to me, as of now, I don't know what to say, but don't panic. I just want to calm you on down and be patient, be really patient. Okay. If you have something there, if you have some cash available with you, go ahead and buy. And the dip dollar cost averaging into your ounce back, like something like 1-inch alpha, BNB, Burgers, Cello. I've been buying a lot of Cello here, and Digo, Alpha, yeah, also Alpha. Yeah, I've been reiterating on the importance of the Alpha Homura X, Alpha X, the product that they has announced yesterday. So I've been buying a lot of this Alpha. I've been buying a lot of C98. That's of course. So if you have some cash there with you, it's time to buy the dips. If you don't have anything, don't panic. Just be really patient with your bag. Be patient with the market, because we are always in a good corrective move before we're rising up. Okay, that's the one that that's the first thing that I want to tell you. The second thing is about about the on-chain market. Let's say CryptoQuant. Okay, on CryptoQuant, if you look at the on-chain data, on exchange report, on exchange net flow. Click on. So, 1 second. So over the last couple of days, before last week, I've been telling you about the amounts of the amount of Bitcoin getting withdrawn from on exchanges keep going up, right? So 1 second, what is this? Okay, since last week, I've been telling you about the amount of Bitcoin, the net amount of Bitcoin getting leaving the exchanges are rising, and that's the good news. That's a good thing for our bond market, correct? So, however, in the last couple of days, we have like more than 30,000 Bitcoin got deposited onto exchanges. As of now, we have no information on this. We have no information on who are depositing on this, but these are mostly the reason of that caused the dump today. And okay, fine. Once it's done, all of this get absorbed, all of this volume get absorbed, I believe that we are good to go again. That is the first thing. The second thing that I have been seeing is regarding the Coinbase Premium. Yeah. Oh, the Coinbase Premium. Where is it? Hold on. Oh. Where is it? I've been seeing that Combe premium were rising badly today. Mhm. Okay, here. So okay, here. So basically the blue one is for the Combe premium. So if you notice, we have a huge rise in the Combe premium. That indicates that the uh, uh, the the buy volume from the institutional investor. So that's the second thing. That's the third thing. Okay, so Combe premium is rising. Big fund, big player are joining the market. So there's no reason why you panic and you're selling your back here. Mm, yeah, so that's it. Very it from my side and what I wanted to tell you very fast, very quick. Just be patient with your back and don't sell. Don't sell the bottom. Okay, don't panic. Don't sell the bottom. Let me know what you want to think. How you feel in the market today? What have you been experiencing?
Hello, it's Mass again.
AMS?
Hey, yeah, it's a little bit of a shock because you know it's going down sometimes, but when you wake up and you see like this, it's like oh. But I did not panic sell. I'm checking something. I have a little bit of USDT to panic buy, you know, and
Okay.
I'm looking for one coin to put it in. Like I can DCA it in several coins, but I think I don't have much of CELO or 1 inch. Maybe I put it also in there, so I get more amount for less. I get more coins for less money today.
Correct. Yeah.
What do you suggest? I have a lot C89. I have a lot of them, but I don't have much CELO or 1 inch,
Then
so
go ahead.
I
Then
can
go.
better put CELO, right?
Yeah. Then go ahead and CELO. If you look at the CELO, actually we have like 22% rally uh, uh, from this week. That means we have good buying volume of CELO when it was dipping. So see only almost 22, 23%. The same thing with C98. Like from here we have it's like 15 even here to almost 20% rally from 20% up 20% the week is 20%, so that indicates a good buying volume of the coin. So yeah, CELO is a really good nice one, man. So go ahead and the dollar cost averaging in your bag.
Yeah. So, but I can understand that a lot of people are scared. You think it's connected to Evergrande thing because you shared the link?
I think I don't know, but I was wondering if that was the cause. Of course, the cause was because of the 30,000 Bitcoin got deposited on the exchanges over the last couple of days. That indicates a good sell volume in the market right now. Yes, of course, but the actual cause after that, uh, we don't know. Maybe because of the Evergrande that causing the market to crash. Even if you see the stock market today is also in a Christmas theme. What happened? If you see the stock market on CNBC this morning, I saw this. Yeah, so also damn red for the stock market. And normally when the stock market crashes, the cryptocurrency market also follows. So mostly because of the Evergrande thing. And might be if you look at the macroeconomic as a whole, maybe first because of the Evergrande, because second because of the fear of the new COVID variant like this Omicron thing. So maybe that should be the two reasons causes the market to crash in the last couple of days. Uh, not only cryptocurrency, but also in the stock market as a whole.
Yes, yes. But the stock market will open again on Monday, right? And then they will see the more dip when it continues like this. This stock market, I mean,
As
because it's
exactly.
closed
But
now.
yeah, it's closed now. Let's see how it unfolds. This and one more thing. When we're speaking about a stock market opening on Monday, we have also Bitcoin on CME exchanges. Will also be opening on when Monday, right? So on last Friday, we have Bitcoin on CME closed at 53K. So basically, if the weekend stays at is, then we have a huge gap, like from 47K to almost this level, like 12% gap. And normally, we can expect the market to rise a bit again to fill that gap before it's further move. As of now, we don't know whether we're going up or down next, but we have a huge with the CME closed as 53K last Friday. So we have a gap here, and maybe the market will be recovering to fill the gap.
Yeah. But it's also possible that that stays dumping again tomorrow, right?
It could retest the 42, 40K, 42, 43K level. As of now, it definitely it will not be rising back again immediately after such dump, after such crash. You have to be patient and wait for it to recover slowly. Whenever we get a good dump like we get today, we get a huge sell volume here. The market normally will not be recovering within a couple of hours or even a couple of days. So let's see how next week unfolds. Even in the traditional market as well as in the cryptocurrency market. But as I said again, to me, I'm not worrying. I'm not worrying as of now
Okay.
because I don't have a reason to do so. So
The
yeah,
only to look to also look for is the Evergrande thing, how it unfolds. But I cannot see myself let China go describe. I think so. I think they will step in or something.
and yeah, maybe. But also before any rally, we have a good crash. If you look back on the market in the past, before any like big move, we have a huge crash. So that all of these newbie or some people on these weak hands, they get to dump that back before this can really go up. So I hope that we are still in the same style. So let's see if, how it unfolds next week. But I'm not worried.
Otherwise, we go to McDonald's. No problem. No problem. Thank
Yeah,
you.
otherwise we go to McDonald's.
you. I will go buy Silo right now, man. Thank you.
Don't worry, man. But don't panic. But seriously, don't panic by like whatever you have, go only, no, not that thing, but slowly go slowly adding. Don't like click.
Don't go all in.
Yeah, don't go lonely. In any case, actually, I still have like I'm running short on my cash also. I'm running short on USDT. I have only 20% of my account left with USDT, but I'm waiting for tomorrow. Today I bought a few of C98 and Digo, but I still have 20% of my USDT left. Normally I will be having like 40 to 50%, but I have used like on that 15-20% over the last 2 weeks, and I'm not gonna be short on that, but I'm not worrying it up now. So
Yeah,
I'm waiting
cool.
for tomorrow then.
So I will I put half in or third and then wait for tomorrow, maybe another opportunities.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Anyone else that want to talk? Oh, we have many participants today, maybe because of the market. Anyone else? And I don't know if you guys know this before. One tactic that I will also be doing when I'm running, especially in this situation, when I'm running short on cash to buy the dip, I normally go to Binance and borrow the fund from there. Where is it? Crypto loan. Here in finance, crypto loan. So if you go and stack your cake on a BUSD with cake, okay, so this is what I'll be doing, and I'm normally doing whenever the market crashes. Like I'll go to Binance loan, crypto loan, and spoiler alert, this is not for newbies, okay? This is only one of my tactics, one of my suggestions for if you're here long in the market. But if you're a newbie, please don't touch it, or really be careful when you're using it. Okay, so in the borrow tab, you go and borrow whatever the coin that you want. Like I'm borrowing BUSD and I'll be putting cake as my collateral amount because as of now, the interest on borrowing BUSD by staking cake by giving collateral as cake is 0%. Here, interest rate, daily, hourly, and daily interest rate is 0%. Okay, so whether you want to borrow for 7 days, 14 days, or even 30 days, but you won't be charged any fee or anything if you repay before that. Okay, let's say if you want to borrow $1,000, you have to stake 148, almost 150 cake. And if cake goes down to $8, your position will get liquidated. But the good thing is, in case of the in such situation when the market is crashing, and if you think the bottom is in, it's a really good tactic for you to get more stable coin in your account in order to buy the dip. And especially in the case of cake, you get 0% on the interest, and you get no fee when you're for early repayment here. no penalty for early repayment. So this is the one tactic I've been using a lot whenever the market crashes. And again, not for newbie. If you're a newbie, be really careful when you're using it. And even if you're not a newbie, don't over leverage your position. Okay, so if you, that's my advice. If you really want to try it out, you can try it out somewhere here, because the market is really pretty much down from Bitcoin is almost 40% down from the peak, not from the peak, from the top of 69K. So it's we're in a very good position and to use this one. That's only one of my suggestions in case that you are running short on stablecoin. I know many of us here are running short on it like me. Okay, so yeah, do it with cake if you have cake in your balance. If you're not, let it go. All right, guys, anyone else want to talk?
Again, Vux, it's mess again because nobody is asking something. But did you see the tweet from Willy Woo?
From Willy Will?
Willy Woo on
Yeah. What is
some
it?
brought you course on Binance. Did you?
Okay.
What does he mean by that? That it's like fake order books or something?
It's something like fake order book, man. Something like they put some sell order here. It's the like on buy. Actually, this is forbidden in traditional market. If you do so in traditional market, you get arrested, but no one controlling this cryptocurrency one, right? So basically what whales do, this happen all the time. What whales do, they put some fake order, not fake order book, they put real order, sell order here just to scare people off. Like whenever you go on Binance and you see huge sell order, you will not have that the gut to buy. So that happened this time. What he was trying to say, it happened this time. Some they put huge order book at around 62,000 dollars, and to scare people off so that no one was buying. And after that, they get to dump the market badly.
Okay, so is it also possible that because they have a lot of longs liquidated, like a few billion, is that also a part of this game? You know, that the
Yes,
whales
exactly.
will liquidate like 5 billion or something. What was today to scare people out?
Yeah, today was like $2 billion, $2.1 billion. And who liquidated you guys? CZ, who else?
Yeah, who laughs? CZ. Yes. So it's like when people are too greedy, they gonna liquidate the longs. It looks like.
Exactly. When the open interest is too high, and when there are too many longs in the market, actually you can go here and check for the long and short position. You know, on CoinClass in where is it, in long and short? You can check here for long and short position now in the market. So basically, we have 60% people are shorting, and almost 40% people are longing in the as a whole. And so they give the breakdown for the top exchange. Oh, we have DYDX. People are longing badly here. 62% people. These are Chinese, man. Most of these are Chinese on DYDX. You know
Yeah,
why?
they got to DYDX because crypto was like sort of forbidden. They run to
Yes,
DY.
yes, yes. If DYDX is rising, people in China are long in it because most of the users from DYDX or China, they have an article on that, I remember. Okay, good. That's good. People are long in again. That's a good thing. Okay, you can check here. Basically, what I wanted to say, you can check here for long and short position. When you start seeing long position are too high and keep increasing, do look out, do watch out for a dump because they need to do that in order to get people off, in order to liquidate people, and like the market cannot keep rising every time, right? It needs to dump sometime to to kill these guys.
Somebody has to pay, right?
Yeah, somebody has to pay.
Yeah, so we just hold spot and we don't lose.
And please don't trade in future.
No, no, no.
Don't use future, even don't touch the future tab of your Binance, because that is real dangerous. You see, this kind of move today, if you wanted to long somewhere at the support here or even here, you got liquidated immediately within minutes or within seconds. So please don't make my mistake again. My biggest mistake was to trading the future, to do future trading, or was to ever over leveraging. So don't do that again, especially in
No.
this kind of market.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So the whole point of today's talk is to calm you down and to tell you that I'm not worrying as of now. Um, yeah, I'm running short on my USDT, but I have one tactic to increase this by staking my holding for a stable coin, for example, on Binance. And if you are a newbie and you are not familiar with that, so please don't use it. And even if you're using it, do be careful. Okay. And again, I'm not worrying. I still believe that we'll be rising again and we'll be rising big. So be patient, guys. Be patient. Seriously, be patient. We have a lot of things like this before. We have a lot of red days like this before. But eventually we keep seeing all-time high of Bitcoin at the end of the day. So chill and don't look at the market if you're up stable coins. So that's my advice. And maybe in the next, maybe starting from tomorrow, I'll be sharing a lot of, I'll be sharing um, more projects that that might possibly giving retroactive or airdrop in days like this. So you have at least have something to do, right? So maybe starting from tomorrow, I'll be searching out for those opportunity for retroactive, uh, and share with you guys. Okay, so chill, don't panic, stay calm, and be patient with your bags. Don't sell the bottom because I'm not worrying. Whales are not worrying, so why should you, right? So yeah. Okay, so if no one else want to talk, let's us finish here. And if you have any other questions, feel free to message me or put it in the chat box of the group. Okay, see you on guys.